viewers, first of all, a pleasant morning to all of you. As you know, I am Ashwananda from the Share. This portion is going to share some thoughts with you. Today is a different day because today your teacher, this person is not going to elaborate any topic. This person simply wants to communicate all of you. Dear friends, I would like to tell all of you that in our life there are three kinds of responsibilities that should be fulfilled by all of us. First kind of responsibility is to take care of ourselves, to take care of our body, to take care of our personality, to take care of our character. And it is said that if you are not sound at all to develop yourself, how can you make somebody worthy to develop himself or herself? Is possible? Not at all. And it is also said that a man can be an expert. A man can be an expert person in any kind of sector, but he cannot be the omniscient like the God. We know quite it well. So a person should first of all develop himself. A person should build up his own identity to build up the other identity. Because a man is first of all the seed of the society. After observing a certain quality up to a certain level of age, that person, that creature becomes the maker of the society. And this person is telling you all that you all should be conscious about your study. You should just work hard towards your study, because your self-study will only be the key to unlock the whole kind of mystery. Today you are here far away from this controversial world as a student, and tomorrow this person is going to face this controversial world. You are going to be the part of this controversial world, and those who are still facing this kind of problem, those who are mature, those who are guardians, they are facing this controversial world. And how can they decode the mystery of the controversy? With the help of education, with the help of presence of mind, with the help of wisdom. So it is the time to acquire knowledge as much as possible. If you acquire so much knowledge inside yourself, tomorrow you can create a lot of ideas, you can create a lot of strategies to decode the mystery, to unlock the suspense. And of course, undoubtedly this person is going to tell you, a person who is not the good listener today, how can that person be the good speaker tomorrow? If you want to be the best performer tomorrow, be the best observer today. Because knowledge speaks, but wisdom listens. So all the curious learners should have curiosity to know what is the reason behind anything else. And everything should be connected with truth. Everything should be connected with piousness. There should not be anything false. There should not be anything gaudy. If you have acquired a certain level of knowledge that can make you an expert person, then you will certainly decode the mystery tomorrow. So first of all, the first responsibility is to develop ourselves. We also develop ourselves. Be honest towards ourselves. Because a man is a social animal and the seed of this society till his observing period. And after that, we should, in the second responsibility, think about our family. In our family, there are so many members. Family and friends, you can say friends, family and friends, not only family. There are so many friends, there are so many members in our family. But I'm talking about especially our parents who give birth on earth to us. Because our parents, we haven't seen God. Anybody has seen? I don't think so. We realize it. We realize God, that God exists. But we can see by our naked eyes our parents. So we must think about our parents. Our parents are the real, the living gods. So we should worship them. We should worship them. I think the place of mother in our surroundings far ahead than the place of God. The place of mother is greater than the place of God. It is 100% correct that Pitama Bhishma was first of all sent according to the instruction of the Lord Krishna to Mother Ganga. And after that, Pitama Bhishma will go for the purpose of meeting with the Supreme Child. And accept this. Our father is such a kind of person who is grew up by outlook, but so soft, so caring by heart, So, and of course, our mothers are getting out sources. We all have parents, and mother gets sourcing with the help of the father's income. So, of course, father is as essential as mother. And except this, rest of the members, everybody has some rights upon us, all the family members are part of the family, So we should take care of our families. I have my family. I respect in a civilized manner. Civilization means what? Civilization means an act that shows the path of duty. And duty means what? To do proper things in the proper manner. To fulfill our responsibility according to our social norms, according to our ethics, according to our culture, that is called civilization. However, there are a lot of contrasts, there are a lot of differences, but overall you can think so. And if you think about your family, you are observing the knowledge, and with honesty, you you will certainly tomorrow maintain the dignity of society. You will be married and you have a better house. After being married, you will have a better house, your wife, and after passing some time, you will get some offsprings, you will get some children, and you have to feed them. You have to feed them by earning your livelihood. If you take care of your parents in that moment, your house will be simply heaven. Your house will be the heaven for you all. A person who loves you, a person who loves his parents, he is directly worshipping the God. He is directly worshipping the God. So don't forget to walk with honesty to earn a handsome livelihood to fulfill the needs of your parents. And friends, of course, I don't think that today friendship exists in the reality. Most often usually I have seen that friends are fair weather friends. They are not working hard. They do not have emotion. They follow the luxury. They are simply fair weather friends. They are simply fair weather friends. They will accompany you when you are rich, you are economically sound. When you are deprived from all of the luxuries, you are a pauper. You are a pauper, you are under poverty. I don't think that a friend will exist, but a friend in need, a friend in need, it is said. So a friend who is a true friend in your eyes, never forget to cooperate him or her, because a true friend is of course a teacher, a mother, and a medicine, according to the statements which are given by the #1 essayist of Hindi, Acharya Ramchandra Shukla. He has written a very nice essay whose title is Mitrata. In Hindi I have read in standard 10 or 8 or standard 10 or 8, I don't know. And then the third level of responsibility comes that should be fulfilled. What is that? That is of course the responsibility, the duty towards our nation, towards our society. We are just playing. We have been living. We have been playing since our childhood. In this society, we learned, we enjoyed, we shared fun. We have shared fun with this society. A lot of people around us, they have cooperated us. This motherland, I'm talking about this motherland. We should be the soldier of this nation. All the citizens have some responsibilities and they should execute like a soldier. They are soldiers in actuality. A farmer is also a soldier of the nation. A doctor is also a soldier of the nation. A student is also a soldier of the nation. So everybody should be the soldier of the nation. Our mother is the greatest, greater than God. But our motherland is the greatest. We can sacrifice our mother for the purpose of protecting our motherland. It is a common proverb that our body should be sacrificed, our mind should be sacrificed, our wealth should be sacrificed. Above all, if I have anything remaining, that must be sacrificed for the purpose of protecting our motherland. So, our mother is greater than the God, but motherland is the greatest thing for us. So we should protect our motherland, our soil. We should be the pride of the soil by working day and night. If we fulfill these three kinds of responsibilities, we can certainly create an ideal image behind ourselves after losing this body. Because this body is temperament due to passing of time, the depreciation is occurring in this body. We are just going near gradually day by day to death. We are going near to our death. We are going near our death gradually. And that is the final destination of this life, but cycle will be continued. Cycle will be continued. So don't forget to fulfill your responsibilities towards yourself, towards your family and friends, and towards your society or nation. I think you have enjoyed this video. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Enjoy today, forget the past, see the future. 10-10.